We are very happy with this government decision to bring down the GST rate from 12% down to 5%, which will provide affordable access to the consumers and to the patients and lower their healthcare costs. More importantly, for manufacturers who were getting extremely worried about inverted GST structure, whereby we are paying 18% GST on our inputs, whereas now we will be charging 5% GST on the output. For this, the government has assured that we'll be getting GST refunds in 7 days' time. If this happens, it will be excellent because we can pass on the full benefit then to the consumers. Additionally, we have been requesting the government to provide GST refund like it's been done by Canada, Australia and Singapore on the GST we pay on our services and on the GST that we pay on the capital goods that we procure for our capital expansion. If this is also done, it will be great for the medical device sector to make us globally competitive.
Sir, how do you see this? This is the 11th international exhibition and several countries is participating.
So, year on year, you can see that this exhibition and event is growing. More importantly, post-COVID, India is seen as now a dependable supplier of medical devices, as many countries seek to diversify their global supply chains in medical devices. Nobody wants to be dependent on a singular country like China, and India is seen as a good alternative. It is for us manufacturers now to step in and to build up brand India, and this exhibition provides a great footing. Indian exports have crossed $4 billion. Our consumables exports and disposables exports have now overtaken our imports. Now, not only for consumables and disposables, even for high-tech equipment like cardiac implants, orthopedic implants, MRI machines, CT scan machines, linear accelerators, India is manufacturing and exporting these. 3,400 manufacturers in India have got a manufacturing license. Our exports have crossed $4 billion. This is a sunrise industry, and we can only look for better times going ahead. And platforms like this, whereby you can see buyer-sellers meet has been organized. Regulators from all over the world have come in over here. This provides an opportunity for us to expand our global footprint.